Alright, so this is a follow-up to our previous video where we showed you how to get the table of contents formatting over to your new book. And we're going to do the same thing with the index. So basically we have this new book here and we want to make sure we add an index, but we don't want to go through the hassle of formatting it again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Windows and we're going to go to our original folder that we worked on with the table cleaner book. And this is the index that we formatted and got everything set on the reference pages. So we're going to actually copy this to the clipboard. So we're going to right click and do copy, and then we'll go back to our new books folder. And so this is our new books folder, and we're just going to paste this in here. And so there's our formatted index. Now all we really have to do is rename this. And again, as we mentioned before, the way this has to be named is it has to have the same base name as the book. So in this case it's my new script, and then we have to add the suffix, the appropriate suffix, and in this case it's going to be IX because we're just putting in a standard index. So now that we have that preloaded there in our folder, when we go to FrameMaker, we can add an index to the folder. So we're going to do insert standard index, and we're going to make sure it has the IX suffix, which it does, and then we're going to put it after the customizing.fm file, and we're going to include index markers. And you can see already in the book window that it's added that, and because that name in the book window matches what we have on disk, then that's what's going to be used to format this. So we're going to go ahead and generate this. Now we may not have any index markers in our new book yet, so we may have to add them, but we'll check and see. And we're getting some stuff over here at the console that's unrelated. So let's open up the script, or the index rather. Yeah, and it's empty, but let's go add some entries. So let's go to introduction, for example, and we'll just select something here. We'll say commands. We'll add some levels here. So we'll say colon table my new script rather, my new script. And then we'll click create, and we'll just add another one here. Let's say my new script menu. We'll click create. So now we can update it. Now we should get some content. So we're going to update the index, and we're going to go there, and you can see now we have a fully formatted index like we expect, and the formatting does match the what we had in the table cleaner index. So again, the benefit of this is you can get the formatting, do the formatting once in one of your books, and then copy those files around, those generated files around, and just name them with the correct names, and the new books will use them for their formatting.